Okay, well today is departure day. I have been at this camp for almost a week. Did not intend that when I showed up. Thought I'd stay a night or two. And it's just ended up being so peaceful here. And the rain held off. This was just an extremely peaceful, grounding camp that I needed. Every now and then I just end up at a spot where everything just clicks right. It was quiet. There were some other people camped here, but they were extremely quiet as well. And it just gave me a chance to really get some peace in. I'm just feeling good and recharged. Quite a bit of leaves have dropped since I've been here, giving the ground a nice covering there. This really has been amazing. So I'm slowly getting packed up this morning. I'm going to make a little bit of distance west today. I have an appointment coming up in the next week, so I need to get closer to where that is. So I hate to leave a spot like this. I could honestly spend another week here, but I do need to move on. But the week that I did spend here was amazing. I'm so glad I made it here. We're all packed up, ready to roll. Kind of a gray, overcast day today. Got some rain in the forecast the next couple days. Well, we're going to try to get some miles behind us heading west. Away we go. We are back on the highway, westbound. We'll be using Highway 28 west for a little bit. There's not a lot of people out on the roads. It's been a very peaceful drive. Okay guys, I'm pretty sure this is the state line here. Saying goodbye to Michigan and hello to Wisconsin. Goodbye, Michigan. Hello, Wisconsin. Okay, we are crossing over the Mississippi River. Saying goodbye to Wisconsin and hello to Minnesota. Hello, Minnesota. Goodbye, Wisconsin. Over the mighty Mississippi River. We are coming into Winona, Minnesota. Neat town right along the Mississippi River. There's a big rock on this hillside to the left here. Okay, we are coming into South Dakota. Hello, South Dakota. Goodbye, Minnesota. South Dakota, great places, great places. Alright, well, this is definitely where I camped before. I'm going to say it's been a good 5 years since I've been here. I believe I came and camped here just after I registered my old van in South Dakota for the first time. Met a woman named Paula here. I did a video with her, Paula in her truck camper. You guys really enjoyed her. She was a neat person. Yeah, this is it. It's all coming back to me now. Wow, 5 years. It says 6 a.m. to 11 p.m. I think there's camping in back here. Call this home for the week. Okay, well, we're waking up to a nice, cool, clear morning this morning. Getting some coffee going there. And we have blue skies. It rained all day yesterday. Did not let up. Got quite a bit of rainfall. Today we got blue skies. Loving it. It is nice and cool though. I think it's only, in the low 40s. I had the heater on most of the morning. I just turned the heater off in the van. Oh, it's just been so nice here. And the wind is down today, so I'm tempted to take out my kayak. Hear a train off in the distance. And there's been a pretty big herd of cattle over on the other side of the lake here. I'm hearing a lot of mooing during the day, but they seem to have moved on. This has just been a great little place to camp for free. It's just been amazing. There is a little vault toilet over on the other side here, so I've been able to utilize that. No fresh water. Of course, there's the lake water, but it's pretty green and murky. I don't know that I would even want to filter that. And there's been a few people that have come and gone over the last week or so. Just mainly overnight people come in the afternoon, stay a night, and leave the next morning. This is just so great here. Just the type of camp I needed. Somewhere where I don't feel pressured like I have to move on. I can just kick back and relax, take care of some projects, and just really enjoy life. Alright, let's get to this warm coffee. It's a little chilly out there. Looking good. Okay, well, I just did my overnight in the campground here. This is Dakota Campground near Mitchell, South Dakota. Pretty quiet in here, not a whole lot of people using this campground. I just did a self-check-in. The owners aren't even checking people in at the office. So this was necessary for me to renew my driver's license. I've had a driver's license in South Dakota for the last 5 years. It's good for 5 years, then it needs to be renewed. As well as my vehicles have been registered in South Dakota, the few different vans I've had over the years. So South Dakota has an interesting setup. They make it pretty easy to establish residency here as a full-time traveler. They just have a little special form you fill out that says you're traveling full-time. You stay one night in a hotel or a campground and you're able to get a driver's license. You need to have a mailbox though, a mailbox address. That's kind of the catch, which costs money. So I do have a mailbox I've had here in Sioux Falls, South Dakota for many years. It's been working out good, and that's the key part to also having residency here in South Dakota. So I'm going to move on from the campground. I have my receipt. I was able to get a hot shower here. I'm going to go to a laundromat, do some laundry, and then finish up with some paperwork, and I should be good to get my driver's license renewed. This looks like it. It's not marked very well. A small little sign with a picture of a tent on it. I have faint memories of it being really overgrown the last time I was here. That's what made me feel like it wasn't maintained. But I've been in here somewhat recently. Yeah, this is nice. It's totally primitive. There's no water, and I believe there's no restrooms either. You would have to go back up front to the day use area to use a restroom. Though it looks like there is a vault toilet over here. Not sure if that's open, and it looks like there's a dumpster. We are right on the water here. It looks like there is nobody else camped here. It's just the time of year or what, but the places I've been recently have been ghost towns. Yeah, there's a little area here. Looks like they do have a toilet and a dumpster lobster looks like it's empty or not overflowing, which is good. Most of these pullouts back right up against the river here. Well, I'm really digging this spot here. Let's check it out. This is the Missouri River. A big flock of birds up here I can hear. Don't know if you can hear those birds. Anyway, it is just beautiful here. Turning out to be a really nice day. I'm so glad there's no wind. I want to talk about it. I'll end up cursing myself here. Yeah, getting some breakfast going here. Just gonna do up a little egg sandwich. Oh yeah. Love me an egg sandwich. It's one of my go-tos.